Hello, let's see today's problem. 5 people, Shinchan, Kazama, Nani, Masao, and Bochan, live in houses of different colors green, blue, yellow, white, and pink. They follow different professions teacher, chemist, lawyer, banker, and artist. We have some additional information. Let's look at the questions. If Nani is the lawyer, then Masao could be described by. If Nani is the lawyer, then the teacher must be. If Bochan is the artist and Kazama is the banker, then the teacher must stay inner. If Nani is the lawyer and Bochan is the artist, then the banker. Okay, so by looking at the set, I don't think we'll be able to solve it completely unless we put in the conditions given in the questions. Now, if you look at the questions, question number 1, 2, and 4 have the same condition given to us. That is, if Nani is a lawyer. Hence, it would be advisable that we start with question 1, 2, 4 and then do 3 so that we can finish it faster. Let's begin. Okay, the 5 people are Shinchan, Kazama, Nani, Masao, Bochan. They live in houses of different colors and they play different professions. The colors are green, blue, yellow, white, and pink. Professions are teacher, chemist, lawyer, banker, and artist. Wait, let me just write this over here. Okay. The additional information says the chemist lives in a greenhouse. So we know that the chemist stays here in the greenhouse. Shinchan lives in a blue house. Shinchan is not a teacher. Kazama lives in the white house. Haha, expected. Masao is not a lawyer. Okay. Bochan lives in the pink house. So now we just have 2 houses left for Nani and Masao, that is green and yellow. And we know that the person who stays in the greenhouse is a chemist. Okay. So let's get started. If Nani is the lawyer, then. So I'm going to write this in a different color. If Nani is the lawyer, which means she can only stay in the yellow house because the person in the green house has to be a chemist, right? Now, we have 2 options for the teacher, that is over here and here. Apart from teacher, we have banker and artist. Okay. Let's see if we can answer the questions or not. If Nani is the lawyer, then Masao could be described by chemist. We just solved it. He has to stay in the greenhouse. Okay, I can see a typo over here. Masao could be described by yellow house. Okay, no, it's not a typo. It could be possible that they want us to mark the house of the person. My bad. If Nani is the lawyer, then the teacher must be. Now, the teacher could either be Kazama or Bochan, and they live in white or pink houses. So we have an option saying either 2 or 3. If Bochan, I said I'll solve question number 4 first. So if Nani is the lawyer and Bochan is the artist. If Bochan is the artist, then Kazama becomes the teacher and Shinchan becomes the banker. Then the teacher must stay in a white house. That's Kazama. Sorry, it's question number 4. Then the banker must be Shinchan. Yes. Now let's look at question number 3. If Bochan is the artist and Kazama is the banker, Now I will quickly erase the content given in green because we were solving for if Nani is a lawyer. Okay. If Bochan is the artist and Kazama is the banker, so they are saying Kazama is the banker, Bochan is the artist, which means Masao could be a teacher or Nanny could be a teacher. Now, these guys can also be a chemist. Artist is done, banker is done. She can also be a lawyer. And Shinchan can also be a lawyer. Okay. Then the banker must be. Sorry. Then the teacher must stay in a. Right now we have options for teacher as Nanny and Masao, which is either greenhouse or yellow house, and we know that the chemist stays in the greenhouse, so definitely the answer has to be yellow house. So do you see, if I had read this question before, I wouldn't, if I had read this question properly before, I wouldn't really have to solve all of this, because we had already established in the beginning that the chemist stays in the greenhouse and the only person remaining would be staying in a yellow house. So in this situation it was a direct one, but we took a lot of time to solve it. Nonetheless, let's check our answers. Chemist either 2 or 3, yellow house must be Shinchan. Chemist either 2 or 3, yellow. Great. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.